Good day. Here at the Palm Springs Hotel in Dili, where the seminar on doing business with Malaysia is now in full swing. The event has drawn government officials, business leaders, and representatives from Malaysia and Timor Leste, all gathered to strengthen economic ties and explore new trade and investment opportunities. The seminar opened with welcome remarks from the Senior Director of Trade, setting the tone for a day focused on cooperation and market expansion. This was followed by a formal address from the Vice Prime Minister and Minister Coordinator for Economic Affairs, who highlighted Timor-Leste's commitment to deepening commercial relations with Malaysia as part of its broader economic diversification efforts.
On behalf of government, nine constitution government, we will say that we appreciate for all your presence today. And our government is fully committed to support this mission's success. We are ready to work hand in hand to create a better business environment, promote more investment, and help our MSME, the small and medium enterprises, grow together. With you, we can also achieve sustainable economic development that benefits all our people, especially Malaysia and Timor Leste.
Also, a keynote message from the ambassador of Malaysia to Timor-Leste, emphasizing Malaysia's readiness to collaborate in areas ranging from trade facilitation to private sector development. And with Trade Invest, Timor-Leste contributed with a presentation outlining investment prospects and the sectors most suitable for partnership.
The country is a natural magnet for investment, for tourism. How many world leaders have visited Timor-Leste in the last 2 years? I don't think even that many in Malaysia, except for the recent ASEAN summit. It only goes to show that the country has got a place on the world radar. And Malaysia being so close to Timor-Leste, you are at an advantageous position to take advantage of this situation, to turn it around for win-win situation, not only for Malaysia, but also for Timor-Leste. All we need is a few success stories.
A key highlight of today's program is the business pitching session where Malaysian companies are showcasing their products and services. Each company has the opportunity to present its unique selling proposition directly to potential Timorese partners, creating a dynamic environment for networking and future collaboration. The seminar continues throughout the day until the 21st of November, offering participants valuable insights into doing business with Malaysia and expanding opportunities for bilateral cooperation. From the Hotel Palm Springs Dili, I'm Digna Sarong with Argentina Cardozo for TATOLI. Acompaña notícia atual no credível. Cataluha like, subscribe, no share. Website www.tatoli.tl. Página Facebook Antil, no YouTube Tatoli IP.